In this tutorial, I will show you how to use an array as an input block in Simulink. Here I will utilize for workspace block in Simulink, and I have already made a video on this. You may check on this. I will give the link of this video in the description. And here I'm taking form workspace block from sources, and this is form workspace block. Okay, and we need a scope to visualize this, and I will basically take a DC machine block, and I will try to visualize this how you can use an array as an input block in Simulink. Okay, for that you have to go Simscape, and electrical and specialized power system, and electrical machine. Okay, this is a DC machine. Okay, and we need a DC source like sources and DC voltage source. I'm connecting this field and armature. Okay, field like 200 volt, and this is I'm taking like 300 volt. Okay, here for observing the output we need path selector, and here I basically need only the speed. Here I'm deleting this, and I need to observe the speed. Okay, sorry, click OK, and this is the scope block. Here basically this is the main part of this video, to use how you can use an array as an input block in Simulink. Okay, here I will generate a signal, and I will put this in this. Okay, MATLAB, and we need a simple code like time values and the data values. Okay, here I'm taking time step as 0 to 10 second, and values like 200. Okay, and I need a parabolic signal. I will really generate this, and for that we need an intermediate variable like x equal 0 to 5, values like 200. Okay, and this is the data values y data, and this will be like a parabolic signal. Okay, and I'm plotting this for your visualization. So x value will be time step, and y data. Okay, and the final variable that will be used in sim for workspace block like output, sorry, equal the output should be two column. First column is time, and second column is data values. Here time space is a row matrix, and also the y data, so we have to convert it as a column matrix. Okay, so we have to transpose it, time space, and sorry, transpose it, and y data. I have explained this in my previous video. You can check on this why we need this. Okay, and if we run this, this is our signal, and it will be used as Simulink input. Here right, output, this is our variable from MATLAB. Okay, and if I connect this, if we run this, sorry, we need a power GUI block. Okay, so you can see the speed of this DC machine. Okay, and if you want to check this as it, whether it's working or not, you may take a scope and connect it. Now you can see here, this is our input, and this is our decimation speed. Okay, how this is the way how you can use an array as an input block in Simulink. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.